Hey there, stock market adventurers. Welcome to Only Stocks, your go-to source for cutting through the stock market maze. Today, we're jumping right into the financial deep end with none other than the investing sensation, Cathie Wood. Sit tight, because we've got something that might just blow your mind. A rundown of Cathie Wood's top picks, all under $10 a share. Intrigued? You should be. Hold on tight, because we're unlocking the stock market's secret treasure chest. And we're taking a closer look at why Cathie Wood's investment philosophy is resonating with so many investors. First off, let's delve a bit more into who Cathie Wood is. This financial dynamo is an advocate for disruptive innovation, a term you've likely heard thrown around. But what does it mean? In simple terms, disruptive innovation refers to new technologies that shift the entire landscape of an industry. Imagine being the person who invested in Netflix when everyone else was clinging to Blockbuster. She's had her highs and lows, but what remains rock solid is her faith in the transformative power of technology. From healthcare to tech to even cars that drive themselves, she's got her finger on the pulsar. That's the kind of foresight Cathie Wood possesses. If you're nodding along and soaking up this info, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because you won't want to miss out on future episodes where we delve into more of the stock market's hidden gems, dissect trading strategies, and get into the psychology of investing.
Big shout out to Seeking Alpha for sponsoring our video and its analytics. Make sure to get your 14-day free trial of Seeking Alpha Premium via the link in the description. You can only get the 14-day trial through the link below, so make sure to check them out, guys.
All right, let's get down to brass tacks. Cathie Wood has her investment goggles fixed on two particular stocks that she believes could redefine industries. These aren't just any stocks, they're potential game changers that won't break the bank. But before we jump into these gems, let's talk about the importance of affordability in stock picking. When you're looking at stocks under $10, you're often dealing with companies that have high growth potential. This could be a double-edged sword, offering both high rewards and high risks. The key is to be discerning and educated, which is why we're here to give you all the pertinent details. First in the spotlight is 908 Devices with the ticker MASS. This company is revolutionizing the field of chemical detection and analysis. Picture this: first responders at an accident scene, needing to quickly identify chemical substances. With technology from 908 Devices, they can get lab-grade results right there on the spot. In their latest financial quarter, the company pulled in $9.5 million in revenue, surpassing estimates by a whopping $1 million. The handheld segment alone raked in $6.2 million, up 38% year over year. Why is Cathie Wood so keen on this? Her ARK Genomic Revolution ETF has snapped up 456,342 shares, amassing a grand total of 4,041,206 shares. That's an investment worth over $34 million. Next up is Adaptive Biotechnologies, known by its ticker ADPT. This company is much more than just another biotech firm. They're targeting the immune system itself, aiming to transform how we understand diseases from cancer to infectious illnesses. The data they're collecting could play a crucial role in shaping medical treatments for decades to come. They've recently announced earnings of $37.6 million, beating the analysts' expectations, which is no small feat in the highly competitive biotech space. Let's revisit our first stock on the list, 908 Devices. What we didn't mention earlier is that the company has collaborations with several government agencies. That's right, we're talking about partnerships that can translate into contracts, funding, and ultimately steady revenue streams. Can you imagine the impact of this tech in airports or during large-scale events? The applications are endless, and you better believe Cathie Wood is thinking about this long-term vision. Moving back to Adaptive Biotechnologies, did you know they're collaborating with Microsoft to decode the immune system? This is a prime example of tech meeting healthcare, a trend that's been accelerated by the global pandemic. Kathy Wood often talks about convergence, where technologies or trends across different sectors come together. This is where adaptive biotechnology shines. It's not just about biotech. It's about data, it's about machine learning, it's about creating a new paradigm in healthcare. In the world of investing, the only constant is change. Market conditions evolve, new technologies emerge, and consumer preferences shift. That's why you can't be a passive observer. Kathy Wood's portfolio is dynamic because she understands this very principle. Even when a stock doesn't perform as expected, it's an opportunity to learn, adapt, and get better at the game. As we wade through these details, consider hitting that subscribe button again. Trust me, this is only the tip of the iceberg. We've got a ton of fascinating episodes lined up, exploring even more stocks and investing strategies that you won't hear about elsewhere. Now, a word of caution. These stocks have experienced their fair share of price swings, but that volatility is exactly what makes them intriguing. Volatility often presents an opportunity for high returns, if you play your cards right. And Kathy Wood isn't one to shy away from volatility. In fact, she thrives on it. Investing is inherently risky, so always, and I mean always, do your due diligence. Kathy Wood's audacious investment strategies have set new standards in the finance world. She's unafraid to put her money where her mouth is, betting big on groundbreaking technologies even when others hesitate. Whether you're a devout follower or just casually curious, her market strategies offer a masterclass in bold decision-making and disruptive foresight. So what's in it for you? This could be your golden ticket to investment glory. Time will reveal all. But one thing is certain, if you're scouting for an edge in the investing game, these stocks might just be your trump cards. To wrap this up, if you found this episode enlightening, don't hesitate to smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more unparalleled financial wisdom. This is Only Stocks, where smart investing is the name of the game. Until we meet again, best of luck, and may the odds be forever in your portfolio's favor.